Are you ready to explore the captivating world of Turkish dramas, where love often begins with a twist of fate? Even if you're new to Turkish series, you can enjoy these stories with English subtitles. Let's dive into the top 10 forced marriage Turkish drama series of 2025. 1. Yal Kaptan, The Kingfisher. In Yal Kaptan 2. Ezaret, Captivity. Ezaret tells the story of Orhun, a successful businessman who seeks revenge for his sister's death. His path crosses with Hira, a woman he believes is connected to his sister's demise. In a twist of fate, Orhun forces Hira into marriage as part of his revenge plan. But as they live together, Orhun starts to see Hira's true nature, and his feelings begin to change. Will Orhun let go of his vengeance and embrace love, or will his thirst for revenge destroy them both? To find out, dive into the intense world of Ezaret. 3. Ken Saiscleri, Blood Flowers. Ken Saiscleri revolves around Dil and Baran, who are compelled into marriage to end a long-standing family feud. Their forced union is filled with tension and resentment. But as they confront external threats and personal challenges together, they start to develop a deep bond. Can Dil and Baran transform their marriage of convenience into one of genuine affection, or will their family's history keep them apart? To know what happens next, watch Ken Saiscleri. 4. Gelin, The Bride. In Gelin, we follow the story of Zeynep, a young woman from a humble background who is forced to marry into a wealthy family to save her own from financial ruin. Her husband, Emir, is cold and distant, still in love with his late fiancé. As Zeynep tries to find her place in this new world, she faces hostility and challenges. Will Zeynep's kindness and resilience melt Emir's heart, or will she be trapped in a loveless marriage forever? To uncover her journey, watch Gelin. 5. Siyakalp, Black Heart. Siyakalp introduces us to Asya, a doctor who is forced into marriage with Semil, a powerful businessman, to save her brother from a grave situation. Their marriage starts without love, built on a foundation of necessity and sacrifice. However, Asya's compassionate nature begins to touch Semil's hardened heart, leading to unexpected emotions. Will their marriage evolve into true love, or will their past mistakes come back to haunt them? To see their struggle, watch Siyakal. 6. Hududsuz Sevda, Boundless Love. In Hududsuz Sevda, we meet Elif and Ali, who are forced into marriage due to a family agreement. Elif, a free-spirited artist, and Ali, a disciplined soldier, have contrasting personalities. Their forced union challenges them to find common ground and understanding. Can love blossom between two such different individuals, or will their differences drive them further apart? To witness their story unfold, watch Hududsuz Sevda. 7. KZL Gonkela, Redbirds. KZL Gonkela tells the story of Leela and Mert, whose families force them into marriage to merge their businesses. Initially, both resist the arrangement, but as they spend time together, they uncover shared dreams and aspirations. Will Leela and Mert embrace their union and build a future together, or will their ambitions take them in separate directions? To find out, don't miss KZL Gonkela. 8. Zembili, set at the foot of the Taurus Mountains. Zembili delves into the bittersweet and captivating lives of the residents of a Yoruk village. The series emphasizes themes of friendship, brotherhood, love, and family relationships, presenting a vision that combines traditional values with modernity. The narrative follows 4 friends, born and raised in the town of Zembili, highlighting their shared experiences and the challenges they face. Will they overcome the trials of life, or will fate test their bond? To discover their heartfelt journey, watch Zembili. 9. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir centers on the lives of 2 strangers, Ebru and Sarkan, who are forced into marriage due to unforeseen circumstances. Both harbor secrets and past traumas that make their union challenging. As they navigate their new life together, they begin to heal and find solace in each other. Can their forced marriage turn into a loving partnership, or will their past demons keep them apart forever? To witness their fate, watch Uzak Sahir. 10. Sahib Sizzla, The Abandoned Ones. This series tells the poignant story of 6 siblings Azais, Simo, Zleha, Fidan, Samet, and Bam, who are suddenly orphaned after the tragic death of their parents. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Arfat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Arfat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardin's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala and Arfat's love endures, leading to the birth of their 6 children. Will the siblings survive on their own, or will their enemies tear them apart? To know what happens next, watch Sahib Sizzler. These Turkish dramas offer compelling narratives where forced marriages lead to unexpected journeys of love and self-discovery. Which of these series intrigues you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drama recommendations.